Congratulations on your purchase. We're so excited for you. Let's get you set up with your new SmartLight floor lamp so you can start enjoying it. Once your box is unpacked, you'll want to double check that all the contents are there. Your SmartLight includes power adapter, Allen wrench, a user manual, and one screw. If you're missing something, let us know. We'll help you out right away. If you've got everything, you're ready to begin the setup. Let's take a look at the user manual and follow along together for the assembly. Make sure you read through the manual fully for important information on safety and features. If you get stuck at any point, call us. We're here to help. First, locate the cord connected to the head of the lamp that's labeled with an A. Pull the cord through the pole labeled with the letter B. As you pull the poles closer together, it's important to align the threads carefully. Try to do this on a table or an even surface. Now it's time to thread the cord through your other pole, labeled C, and connect poles B and C together. Repeat the same steps as you did with A and B. Again, be mindful of the thread alignment so you don't have to redo it. You're doing great. We're almost there. Now connect the cable from pole C into the cable coming from the base of your lamp. Any excess cables coming from pole C can be tucked inside. Make sure that you align the controls with the front of the base before you firmly connect the assembled lamp into its base. Go ahead and lay the lamp down. With the Allen wrench, firmly tighten the screw that is already attached to the base of the lamp. Stand your lamp upright. Attach the power adapter and plug it into a socket. Now just press the power button and you're ready to enjoy your SmartLight.